Hello everyone, this is Hina and welcome to another video of Dillenium Creatives, and today I'm going to share with you my logo design process from start to finish to create a rose line business logo. It's a small shop based on drinks and juices. I recently received the logo details from my customer and she has given me all the details. That is the very pointed details, so it became very easy for me to create the concepts, and I have started work on it: rose, glass and these are the three objects that I need to define in my logo design. And here I started with the sketch designing. These are the rough sketches that I have created just to enhance my concept, that how should I go with this design. So you can see that I'm just roughly designing or sketching all these concepts to follow which one need to be best to go with that. And here you can see that very simple and easy way to create this, because it given me a lot of room to create the digital design. So here are the 8 sketches that I have designed so far, and I want to go with number 4 here. So here you can see that all of that, and now I want to go with this one to create the digital version of this logo. So let's start with me now. First of all, I have taken this oval design, and by using the direct selection tool, I have defined the shapes from all sides to create a look like a glass structure or something like that. And here remove the fill color and use the stroke color with 0.5, and now going to use the block tool here with the 4 points, and you can see that I have decided the stroke just to give a rose like a look to create these lines. And now use the circle and define the circle just to create a middle background with the pink color. Here I want to define the lower part of this glass. So here you can see that this is very simple, very easy design that anybody can do, but it looks unique in terms of the client requirement or the business model. So you can see that I have created all the layers here and define it, and now going to by using the Pathfinder tool, I have just connected these areas in a unified layer format. Using the blob tool and creating this leaf structure. This is the rough leaf structure that I want to create here, so you can see that. And now going to use the pen tool just to find the middle area of this leaf and to give it a green color. So here it looks like this, and now more or less our design is complete. But here I want to give a very little look of something is lying in the glass. So here just given a simple pink background color over there, and now going to expand all the layers, especially the glass part. So here you can see that all the layers has been expanded now. And now going to work on the font, and here I have written the rose line Mongolian font, and this is the free font that I have taken the font.com. And now I am trying to connect the font with the tagline drinks and juices. I want to enhance the EL because the shop has been operated by the MA line, so that's why I have focused on the EL part of the rose line from the business name. So here you can see that here's the final look that I have created, and my client has accepted this, and this is very simple and very easy way so to create a logo design. So it looks unique, it looks so cool and refreshing as well. So this is the concept that I have defined. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my tutorial, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a very good day. Bye bye.